Himalayan pink salt, often hailed as a culinary delight and revered for its purported health benefits, is more than just a seasoning. It's a geological wonder with a rich history and cultural significance. In this documentary, we delve deep into the origins, composition, extraction methods, and mystique surrounding Himalayan pink salt. Origins and geological formation. Himalayan pink salt is mined from the Khewra salt mine, the second largest salt mine in the world, located in the foothills of the Salt Range in Pakistan. The Salt Range is a geological formation dating back to the Precambrian era, approximately 600 million years ago, when a vast inland sea evaporated, leaving behind massive salt deposits. Over millennia, tectonic movements and geological processes buried these salt deposits deep beneath the Earth's surface, resulting in the formation of the Himalayan mountain range. Extraction and mining process. The extraction of Himalayan pink salt involves the traditional method of mining, whereby miners manually extract salt from the underground salt deposits using hand tools and machinery. The Khewra salt mine, with its labyrinthine tunnels and chambers, presents both logistical challenges and dangers for the miners who work tirelessly to extract the precious salt. Modern mining techniques have been introduced to improve efficiency and safety, but the process still retains its rustic charm and labor-intensive nature. Culinary and therapeutic uses. Himalayan pink salt has gained popularity in culinary circles for its unique flavor profile, which is milder and less harsh than regular table salt. It is used in a variety of dishes, from savory to sweet, and is often employed in cooking, seasoning, and even as a decorative element in food presentation. Beyond its culinary applications, Himalayan salt is also believed to possess therapeutic properties, with proponents advocating its use in salt therapy.
Sun Overseas Company is a leading Himalayan salt manufacturer and exporter that is rapidly expanding. The company's mission and values reflect a focus on authenticity, premium quality, and customer satisfaction. Sun Overseas Company is versatile and committed to meeting customer requirements by offering customized products and services and handling bulk orders of any size and quantity. The company has a diverse range of products, including edible salt, home decor, health and wellness, kitchenware, seasoning, and construction products. This comprehensive approach to the Himalayan salt industry is made possible by the presence of 4 purpose-built manufacturing units that emphasize efficiency and scale in production. Potential customers, wholesalers, importers, and retailers are encouraged to explore Sun Overseas Company's specific product offerings, quality standards, and customization options. They should also investigate the company's distribution network, global reach, certifications, or quality control measures to further enhance its credibility in the market.
Edible Himalayan pink salt boasts an impressive composition of more than 84 trace minerals and elements, each of which plays a crucial role in promoting human well-being. The distinctive pink hue of edible Himalayan pink salt originates from its abundant natural iron content, lending a unique visual appeal to culinary presentations. The product range of edible Himalayan rock salt encompasses Himalayan dark pink salt, Himalayan medium pink salt, Himalayan light pink salt, crystal white salt, and crystal black salt. This assortment caters to various grain preferences, offering options such as powder form, fine grain, small grain, coarse grain, large grain, and lumps. The distinctive pink hue of Himalayan salt is attributed to the presence of trace minerals, such as iron oxide, which imbue it with its characteristic color. Composition and nutritional profile. Himalayan pink salt is primarily composed of sodium chloride, around 98%, with the remaining 2% comprising various trace minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Advocates of Himalayan salt claim that these trace minerals contribute to its purported health benefits, such as improved electrolyte balance, hydration, and better nutrient absorption.
The process of cutting Himalayan pink rock salt typically involves the following steps. 1. Selection of salt blocks. Large blocks of Himalayan pink rock salt are chosen for cutting. These blocks are usually obtained from salt mines and quarries where the salt is extracted. 2. Marking. The blocks are marked to indicate where they will be cut. This marking ensures that the cuts are made accurately and according to the desired dimensions. 3. Cutting. The marked blocks are then cut into smaller pieces using various cutting tools and techniques. The choice of cutting method depends on factors such as the size of the blocks and the desired end products. 4. Trimming and shaping. After the initial cuts are made, the pieces may be further trimmed and shaped to achieve the desired size and appearance. This step may involve using saws, blades, or other cutting equipment. 5. Quality control. Throughout the cutting process, quality control measures are implemented to ensure that the resulting pieces meet the required standards. This may involve inspecting the pieces for any defects or inconsistencies and making adjustments as needed. 6. Packaging. Once the cutting process is complete, the pieces of Himalayan pink rock salt are packaged for distribution and sale. Depending on the intended use, the salt may be packaged in bulk containers or smaller packages for retail sale. Overall, the process of cutting Himalayan pink rock salt is crucial for transforming large blocks of raw salt into smaller, more manageable pieces that can be used for various purposes, including cooking, seasoning, and decorative applications.
Beyond its culinary applications, Himalayan salt is also believed to possess therapeutic properties, with proponents advocating its use in salt therapy, spa treatments, and even as a natural air purifier.
We are excited to introduce ourselves as manufacturers and exporters of high-quality Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles. We take great pride in the positive impact our products have on promoting health and wellness. If you are considering enhancing your establishment with the beauty and benefits of Himalayan pink salt, we warmly invite you to collaborate with us. Our Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles are carefully crafted to enhance the ambiance and well-being of spaces like halotherapy, salt therapy, spas, saunas, yoga centers, massage centers, breathing centers, and salt rooms. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any inquiries or for further information. We are committed to providing you with detailed insights into the qualities and benefits of our products. We sincerely appreciate your interest and attention to this matter. The prospect of working together is exciting, and we eagerly anticipate the possibility of collaborating with you to create spaces that exude health and tranquility.
To create a Himalayan salt lamp, a hollowed-out portion is made in the center of the salt crystal, where a light bulb or a candle is placed. When the lamp is lit, it emits a soft, warm glow, creating a calming and soothing ambiance in the room. Advocates of Himalayan salt lamps claim various health benefits, including air purification, mood enhancement, and reduction of electromagnetic radiation from electronic devices.
Sun Overseas Company is a manufacturer and exporter of high-quality Himalayan pink salt lamps. Our lamps come in a variety of shapes and designs, all crafted with great care in Pakistan. We also offer intricately crafted salt candle holders and high-grade animal lick salt. Himalayan salt is a great source of essential minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are necessary to maintain good health in animals. It has a balanced electrolyte composition that can help replenish lost electrolytes during hot weather or intense physical activity. Himalayan salt also helps promote proper hydration by encouraging animals to drink more water. This is crucial for optimal organ function, digestion, and overall health. Additionally, the consumption of Himalayan salt can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and promote proper pH balance in the digestive tract, thereby supporting healthy digestion in animals. The minerals found in Himalayan salt also contribute to maintaining healthy skin, coat, and hooves in animals, which may help improve coat shine, skin condition, and hoof strength. Furthermore, Himalayan salt contains natural trace elements that can further benefit animal health. Contains trace elements such as iodine, zinc, selenium, and copper, which play crucial roles in various metabolic processes and immune functions in animals. Reduces stress. Providing animals with access to Himalayan salt licks can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. The act of licking the salt lick provides a natural and soothing behavior for animals, helping them to feel calm and relaxed. Environmentally friendly. Himalayan salt licks are a natural and environmentally friendly option for supplementing animal diets. They are free from additives, preservatives, and chemical processing, making them a safe and sustainable choice for animal health. Overall, Himalayan salt licks offer a holistic approach to supporting the health and well-being of animals, providing essential minerals, promoting hydration, and contributing to overall vitality. We take great pride in the positive impact our products have on promoting health and wellness. If you are considering enhancing your establishment with the beauty and benefits of Himalayan pink salt, we warmly invite you to collaborate with us. If you are interested in using Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles in your establishment, we would like to invite you to contact us at your convenience. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or need further information. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to the opportunity to collaborate with you.